How to connect PS4 to laptop with HDMI cable. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your PS4 into your laptop with HDMI cable. It's very easy. Now, the very first thing that you're going to have to do is to obtain an HDMI adapter that has a video capture. The reason why you have to get this, the very end for this is going to be USB, and then the other end is going to be the HDMI output. Now, the reason why you have to have this is because you will not be able to use the HDMI output directly from your laptop because this will provide an output, not an input. So make sure to obtain that first before you can go ahead and connect your PS4 into your laptop. Once you've done this, just plug the HDMI cable into the adapter and then use the USB into your laptop. Now next is open up Prefer the web browser and then just simply go straight into obsproject.com, which is going to be this one right here. Download if you're going to be using Windows or Mac OS or Linux. So simply download the file that you're currently running an operating system with. Once you've fully downloaded it, just simply access it, and this is going to be the interface of OBS Studio. Now once you've successfully plugged in everything, it will automatically be recognized here. Now next is to go into add source, and then you can choose on display adapter. Now you can choose on display capture or game capture. So those specific options are the same. Now choose on game capture and then name it as PS4. Hit on OK. Now in here, what you want to have to do from the mode is just to click this so that you will add the specific screen that has successfully been captured into your device, and you should be able to see the screen of your PS4 here. Choose that and hit on OK, and then for you to be able to have it on full screen, just simply right click the current screen and then go into Open Preview Projector and choose the specific display where you have set it up. And that's it. That is how you connect PS4 to laptop with HDMI cable.